Collagen is an essential part of my everyday wellness routine. I take this almost every single morning. I put a scoop in my coffee. I love that it has so much protein. I also personally love it for its gut boosting benefits, also helps with hair, skin, nails, joints. I just love collagen. It is really essential to my wellness, and I love both of these brands, both Ancient Nutrition and Vital Proteins. These are my actual tubs of collagen. I kind of alternate between the two. I love both of them. I think they are both really great brands, and so I wanted to show a comparison of the two so we could kind of see what each one has to offer. Now, right off the bat, both of these are unflavored, which means you cannot taste them at all. Do not be worried about if it's going to alter the taste of your coffee. It will not. I even put this into any kind of like chili or stew or soup when I'm cooking to get extra benefits and extra protein, and I cannot taste it. You won't be able to taste it at all. So the Ancient Nutrition has 5 sources of collagen, and let's take a look at the back. It has the multi-collagen complex. Calories are 35 for 1 scoop. So this one contains fish and egg as well. Now, the Vital Proteins for 2 scoops has 70 calories. So it's the same calories as the Vital Proteins, 18 grams of protein, same again here, but this one, the Vital Proteins, only has collagen from bovine. So that's a little bit of a difference between these two. Let's open them up and take a look at the actual collagen itself. So again, we have the Vital Proteins and the Ancient Nutrition. So this one I'm almost out of, but here's a look at the Ancient Nutrition. It's a really fine powder. This will dissolve in hot liquids, although I do recommend always using a frother to make sure that it really dissolves, or at the very least, just use a fork and mix it in really well because it can kind of clump. So you do need to make sure that you mix it, but it will dissolve easily. So there is Ancient Nutrition, and then let's see, we've got the scooper here. Here is the Vital Protein. So let me get these next to each other so that you can see they're pretty similar in consistency. Both of them dissolve really well. Again, I have had the same results and feel like both of them do a really good job. And again, they do dissolve. Both come with scoopers. So I highly recommend both the Ancient Nutrition and the Vital Proteins.